Indian Premier League 2026 match number 32 Lucknow Super Giants vs Rajasthan Royals. Match played at Bharat Ratna Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee Ekona Cricket Stadium, Lucknow. Lucknow Super Giants won the toss, elected to field first. Rajasthan Royals 20 overs 159 runs lost by 6 wickets. Ravindra Jadeja is the highest scorer, 43 runs, 29 balls. Then Lucknow Super Giants best bowling spell, Mohsin Khan, 4 overs, 1 maiden, 17 runs, 2 wickets taken. Lucknow Super Giants 18 overs 119 runs all out. Mitchell Marsh is the highest scorer, 55 runs, 41 balls. Then Rajasthan Royals best bowling spell, Jofra Archer, 4 overs 1 maiden, 20 runs, 3 wickets taken. Rajasthan Royals won by 40 runs in this match. Player of the match Ravindra Jadeja. Congratulations Rajasthan Royals.